morning, dear students and parents. Welcome back to English revision class. In today's class, we are going to revise names of birds and insects. Children, you all need to spell out these words along with me and also learn its pronunciation. So come, let's start. The first one, C-R-O-W, crow. D-U-C-K, duck. O-W-L, owl. S-W-A-N, swan. D-O-V-E, dove. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. G-O-O-S-E, goose. H-E-N, hen. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Children, you all need to memorize these birds' names. Moving on to the next topic, insects names. The first one, A-N-T, ant. B-E-E-B, B-U-G, bug. F-L-Y, fly. We also call this housefly. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y, dragonfly. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Children, you will also need to learn the spellings of insects names thoroughly. You need to learn all the names of insects and birds. In your examination, you will be given either 5 or 6 or 10 names. You need to learn all the spellings thoroughly. Next topic now. Fill in the missing letters. Children, here are a few words with a few missing letters. You need to fill them up. You need to learn all these spellings from your spelling list to do fill in the missing letters correctly. So come, let's start. The first one, M dash dash Q U I dash O. Which spelling is this, children? Yes, very good. Mosquito. M O S Q U I T O, mosquito. Next word now. P dash G dash dash N. Which spelling is this? Yes, pigeon. P I G E O N, pigeon. Next word. T R dash U S dash R S, trousers. T R O U S E R S, trousers. Next word, W dash L K dash dash G. Which word is this? Yes, walking. W A L K I N G. Walking. Next word. A dash dash N G. Which word is this, children? Yes, along. A L O N G. Along. Next word. C dash T dash I dash G. Which word is this? Yes, very good. Cutting. C U T T I N G. Cutting. All these words are in your spelling list, children. You need to memorize them thoroughly. Coming to the next topic now. Jumbled words. These words are also from your spelling list. So come, let's start. Here you can see a few letters in a jumbled form. You need to rearrange these words to form new words. The first letter is underlined. That means this word begins with the letter S. So this word is story. S T O R Y. Story. Next word. The first letter is underlined. Which letter is this? F. This word is football. F O O T B A L L. Football. Next word is the letter underlined is B. So this is buses. B U S E S. Buses. Next word is swan and the letter underlined is S. S W A N. Swan. Next word. The letter underlined is C. So this is cockroach. C O C K R O A C H. Cockroach. And the last word now. The letter underlined is C. And this is children. C H I L D R E N. Children. Only after you memorize these words thoroughly from your spelling list, you will be able to fill in the missing letters and jumbled words. Moving on to the next topic now. Choose the correct answer. You will see a few sentences here, children. You need to read them. Pick out a correct word from the bracket and fill them in the blank space. So come, let's start. Number 1. The bird is dash. Running, flying. What do birds do? Do they run? No, they fly. So you will write flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. And before you write it, you need to tick this word and then write it in the blank space. Number 2. The children dash reading. Is are. Here you will see there is a plural word. So you will write are. And when you see a singular word, then you will write is. A-R-E-R. Number 3. In the third sentence, you will see pictures near the margin line which is close to me. So I am writing these. Take the word these and then write it in the blank space. Objects close to us, we write these, and objects which are far from us, we write those. Number 4. A sparrow is a dash. What is a sparrow, children? Insect or a bird? Yes, very good. A sparrow is a bird. So you will write a sparrow is a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Number 5. Insects have dash legs. How many legs does an insect have? 2 or 6? Yes, an insect has 6 legs. Insects have S-I-X, 6 legs. Number 6. The plural of deer is dash. What is the plural of deer, children? Deers or deer? Yes, very good. The plural of deer is deer itself. D-E-E-R, deer. Have you all understood all these topics, children? Yes, I'm sure you all have understood. You all need to practice them at home. The worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on the school website. Parents, please help them to do their worksheets properly. Thank you.